What's the meaning of Billy the Kid? Billy the Kid. Billy the Kid.
Billy the Kid. Billy the Kid. Billy the Kid is a nickname that refers to the infamous American outlaw and gunslinger William H. Bonney, also known as Henry McCarty. He was born in 1859 and died in 1881, when he was just 21 years old. Despite his short life, Billy the Kid gained notoriety for his involvement in a series of shootouts and crimes in the American Southwest during the late 1800s. Today, his legend continues to capture the imagination of many people, thanks to numerous books, movies, and other forms of media that have contributed to his enduring legacy as one of the most iconic figures of the Wild West.